Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup tasty. First, let's build a strong foundation. Begin with excellent quality tomatoes, whether they are fresh and ripe or canned San Marzano varieties. Sauté 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are tender and translucent. This step creates a sweet and aromatic base for your soup, setting the stage for a truly delicious experience. To deepen the flavor, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook it for about 1 minute before adding liquids. This caramelizes the paste, enhancing its richness. Next, introduce your favorite herbs. A half teaspoon of dried oregano or a few sprigs of fresh basil work wonderfully. A pinch of sugar, about 1 teaspoon, or a small grated carrot can also subtly balance the natural acidity of the tomatoes, making the soup more mellow. Now, let's achieve that perfect balance. After adding your liquids, simmer the soup gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to fully meld. Once simmered, blend the soup until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot or carefully transfer it to a regular blender. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's just right. For the grand finale, consider adding a luxurious touch. Stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or a generous pat of butter just before serving to add richness and a silky texture. Garnish your bowls with fresh basil leaves, homemade croutons, or a drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Serve your warm, comforting tomato soup alongside a classic grilled cheese sandwich or some crusty artisan bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.